everyone. For today's science activity, we are going to be learning about the structure of viruses. We are going to be making a model of one of them, and we're going to be learning why it's important to wash our hands with soap and water. So to do this, you are going to need to collect a few things. You are going to need some silver foil, some warm water, 2 bowls, some liquid soap, some butter and a butter knife, some sprinkles and a spoon. Viruses can come in a variety of different structures. So we are going to be looking at one example for today's activity. COVID-19 is caused by a virus from a type of viruses called coronaviruses. The structure is made up of a piece of RNA. This is similar to DNA, which is surrounded by a protein shell, covered by a lipid membrane, and then there are proteins on the surface. So, to make our virus, the first thing that we're going to do is take some of our silver foil and rip off a piece and scrunch it up into a ball. So this is going to be our RNA middle surrounded by the protein shell. We're then going to get our butter and we're going to cover the silver foil with a layer of butter. And this is going to represent our lipid membrane. So, lipids are just like fats, which are in butter. So it will work in a similar way for our activity today. So we're going to cover our ball of silver foil with a layer of butter. So you want it to go all the way around. Okay. So, once you've covered your ball in your butter, what we're going to do is we're going to get some sprinkles and we're going to cover our ball in some sprinkles, and these are going to represent the proteins which are on the surface of our virus. There we go. Now, for our activity, we're going to need 2 virus models, so you'll need to make another one. So, I've already got a second one that I've made earlier. So we're now going to test our models to see what happens when we wash our hands. So we're going to take our bowls, and into one bowl we're going to add some warm water, and into the other bowl we're going to add some warm water, and we're also going to add some soap. So we'll give it a couple of squirts of soap, and then we'll use our spoon to give that a mix so that the soap gets mixed up. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put one of our virus models in the warm water bowl and one in the soap and warm water bowl, and we're going to see what happens. So you're going to give them both a mix. Make sure your virus gets covered like it would if you're washing your hands, and we'll see what happens. So I've just taken our models out of the water, and you can see that we've got the model from just the water and the model from the soap and water, and you can see that the model from the soap and water has broken down a lot quicker than the virus in just the normal warm water. So this shows that it's always best to wash your hands with soap and water, because if the virus gets broken down, then it can't cause illness. So make sure that you always wash your hands properly. Now I hope you have fun trying this activity at home. We would love to hear about your results, so please share them with us at Surrey Libraries on Facebook and Twitter, and have a look at our YouTube channel, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.